Title: The 2026 Home Mining Blueprint that actually makes money. Let's be real, most people think home crypto mining is dead. They'll tell you that you can't make real money anymore, that the days of printing digital gold in your garage are ancient history. They say the corporations, with their massive server farms and billion-dollar power contracts, have already won. They're wrong. Home mining isn't dead. It just got smarter. The old way, plugging in a noisy, power-hungry machine and just hoping for the best, is absolutely dead. But a new, savvier model has taken its place. Forget what you've heard. You just need the right blueprint for the new reality of 2026. In this video, I'm going to walk you through that exact path, focusing on ruthless efficiency, smart automation, and return on investment to build a crypto rig that's actually profitable today. This is what separates the hobbyists from the operators. So, why did so many people get absolutely burned? Let's have an honest look at why the old model was a disaster. The dream they sold you was a passive income machine humming away in your spare room. The reality for most was a constant, expensive headache. First and foremost, the silent killer: electricity costs. You'd see those exciting daily revenue numbers, but when the power bill showed up, you realized you were just converting electricity into crypto at a loss, with extra steps. Margins became razor thin, and for many, they flipped negative. A few cents per kilowatt hour became the line between making money and just subsidizing the network. Second, the factors nobody really prepares you for: the heat and the noise. An ASIC miner isn't a quiet desktop PC. It's an industrial machine that sounds like a vacuum cleaner running 24/7. And the heat. These things are basically space heaters that also happen to solve complex math problems. Nice bonus in the winter, maybe. But in the summer, your air conditioning runs nonstop, completely wiping out any profit you might have scraped together. And finally, there was the manual grind. The constant rebooting, tuning, and troubleshooting. Your rig goes offline in the middle of the night. You just lost hours of mining. A new, more profitable coin pops up. By the time you manually reconfigure everything, the opportunity has vanished. It wasn't passive income. It was a demanding part-time job where your boss was the wildly unpredictable crypto market. This toxic mix of high costs, a terrible living environment, and constant manual labor is why so many mining rigs are now gathering dust in basements. So if that's the broken way, what makes 2026 so different? It's not one single thing. It's three critical innovations coming together that completely rewrite the rules for home miners. This is the heart of the new blueprint. The first pillar is hyper-efficient hardware. For years, the game was all about raw hash rate. More was always better. Now, the metric that truly matters isn't just speed, it's efficiency, measured in joules per terahash, JTH. This number tells you exactly how much computational work you get for every single watt of power you pay for. The latest generation of ASIC miners, like the Bitmain S21 series, are designed with this as their guiding principle. They're engineered to sip power, not guzzle it. Choosing a miner with a stellar efficiency rating, say, under 20 JTH, is the single most important decision you can make, as it directly attacks your biggest operating cost. The second pillar is smart energy management. This is where you level up from hobbyist to operator. In the past, you'd plug your miner into the wall and let it run wild. The 2026 blueprint treats your miner like a smart appliance. It means using tools like smart plugs and power monitors to get a live, real-time feed of your energy use. But more importantly, it means acting on that data. Many energy providers offer variable or time-of-use rates, where electricity is way cheaper during off-peak hours, like overnight. With a smart setup, you can create simple automations to ensure your miner only runs when power is cheap. This strategy, known as demand response, can dramatically boost your margins without you touching your hardware. The third and most game-changing pillar is smart automation and profit switching. This is what finally makes a set it and forget it system a profitable reality. Instead of being driven by true AI, modern mining software and platforms use powerful algorithms to manage your operation for you. These systems can monitor the market in real time, automatically directing your hash rate to the most profitable coin or mining pool at any given moment. They can intelligently manage your hardware, underclocking your miners during times of high heat or low profitability to save power, and then ramping them up when conditions are prime. Some can even predict maintenance needs or automatically reboot a rig if it goes offline, cutting down on lost time. These tools are real, they're available now, and they turn home mining from a hands-on chore into a genuinely passive, optimized system. Section 3. The 2026 Blueprint, a practical step-by-step guide. So how do we put it all together? Here is the practical step-by-step blueprint for building a home mining operation that actually works in 2026. Step 1. Master your energy costs. Before you even think about buying a miner, you have to become an expert on your electricity. This is the foundation of your entire business. Call your power company or dig into your bill to find your exact rate per kilowatt hour, kWh. Do you have different rates for peak and off-peak times? What are those hours? Once you have that number, grab a simple wall plug energy monitor and test it on something that draws a lot of power, like a space heater. See for yourself how fast the cost climbs. If your power rate is high, say over 15 cents per kilowatt, and you don't have a cheaper off-peak window, home mining is going to be incredibly difficult. Data comes before dollars. Step 2. Choose your miner based on efficiency. Stop looking at just the price tag or the maximum hash rate. Your number one metric is joules per terahash, JTH. A cheaper, older miner like a Bitmain S19K Pro might look tempting, but with an efficiency of around 23 JTH, it could be far less profitable than a newer model like an S21, which can operate at 17.5 JTH or even better. Over a year, that efficiency gap can mean hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars in power savings. For home use, you also have to consider noise levels, measured in decibels, dB. Models specifically designed for home or office use, like some of the smaller box units, are built to operate at much lower noise levels, making them actually livable. Step 3. Build your smart control stack. This is the automated brain of your operation. Your new, efficient ASIC miner shouldn't be plugged straight into the wall. Connect it to a heavy-duty smart plug that can handle its power draw. That smart plug then connects to an automation platform like Home Assistant, or even a simple service like IFTTT. This is where you create your master rule. If the time is between 11 p.m. and 7 a.m., your off-peak hours, then turn on the miner, else turn off the miner. It's a dead simple command that automates your profit-taking by forcing your rig to only drink the cheapest electricity available. By the way, if you're finding this blueprint helpful and want to get into the weeds on specific hardware and automation software, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We're breaking down these complex topics with straightforward guides every single week, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Step 4. Engineer your environment. You have to actively manage the two physical byproducts of mining, heat and noise. Don't just stick your miner in a closet and cross your fingers. You'll choke its performance and shorten its lifespan. A popular and highly effective solution is to place the miner inside a small grow tent. From there, you can attach a simple ventilation fan and ducting to exhaust the hot air directly out a window or into your home's HVAC return. This setup contains the noise and turns all that waste heat into a resource you can actually manage. In the winter, you can use it to help heat your home. In the summer, you get it out of the house efficiently. Step 5. Let smart software take over. The final layer is the intelligent software. Instead of pointing your miner at a single pool and hoping that coin stays profitable, you'll use an automated profit switching service or operating system. platforms allow you to direct your hash rate to them, and their systems automatically handle mining the most profitable algorithm and can convert your earnings to the asset you want to hold, like Bitcoin or a stablecoin. Other advanced firmware can dynamically auto-tune your machine's performance, adjusting on-chip frequencies to hit the power and efficiency targets you set. This layer ensures your hardware is always working on the most profitable task possible, with maximum efficiency, 24/7, without you lifting a finger. Section 4. A real-world example, putting the blueprint to the test. Let's make this tangible. Imagine two home miners, both getting started in 2026. Miner A buys a cheap, older generation ASIC because the sticker price was low. They plug it into their wall and just let it run 24/7. Their average electricity cost is 14 cents per kilowatt. The miner is loud, hot, and after that first power bill arrives, they realize they're barely breaking even, if not losing money. They're constantly tinkering with it, rebooting it, and within 3 months, they've quit. Miner B follows the blueprint. First, they confirm they have an off-peak electricity rate of 8 cents per kilowatt. They invest more money upfront in a newer, highly efficient ASIC with a low JTH rating. They set it up inside a grow tent that's vented to the outside and use a smart plug to make sure it only runs during those cheap, off-peak hours. They point their hash rate to a profit-switching pool that automatically optimizes their earnings. Because Miner B's power cost is nearly half, and their machine is way more efficient, their profit margin is dramatically wider. The automation handles the day-to-day management, and the environmental setup makes it something they can actually live with. Miner B isn't just mining. They're running an optimized, automated, and profitable operation. That is the difference the blueprint makes. So, is home mining dead? Absolutely not. But the era of casual brute force mining? Yeah, that's over. Success in 2026 is no longer about who has the most hardware, it's about who has the smartest setup. The winners are the ones who treat it like a small business, focusing relentlessly on crushing their single biggest expense: energy. The blueprint is clear. 1. Start with a data-driven energy audit. Know your costs before you spend a single dollar. 2. Prioritize hardware efficiency, measured in JTH above all else. 3. Automate everything. Use smart controls and algorithmic software to manage your energy, optimize your profits, and maximize your uptime. This is the new reality of home mining. It's a game of inches, played with data, efficiency, and smart automation. It's more involved than it used to be, but for those who follow the blueprint, it can be more profitable than ever. Of course, profitability is never guaranteed and depends heavily on market conditions, but this is how you give yourself the absolute best shot. Want to see the specific ASIC models and software I'm looking at for my own 2026 setup? I break it all down in this video right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.